common bits, but also raise the different bits.
Yeah, I'm all for celebrating our differences.
Yeah.
And is there a difference in genus terms between process industries grouped together and maybe manufacturing industries grouped together? And is that a natural divide, or are they one and the same and can be grouped together? I don't know.
Well, that sounds like it needs a bit of experimentation to see whether or not that's the case, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, Ian's just used the word genus there. That's exactly what I've written down on the documents here. Is where do we recognise engineering, and where are they subtly different? Where it's part of the same overall family, but there's clearly left and right hand, and they're quite different. There's as much work here on what's different as what's similar. So I think there's certainly possible to do work on celebrating the differences, as Barry says. Certainly, yes.
I do like the idea of some sort of reusable template, though, that could be used to provoke discussion with other sectors as they start to come in phase 2 and looking at where they might use a sort of framework like this. I think that has a value to it.
I mean, I agree with James here again from Coach, and I think that idea of a reusable template actually can move some way towards trying to consider this common approach to maintenance engineering. I mean, I personally would almost like, as well as thinking about some of that detailed work, is to try and actually capture some of the principles of what we're trying to do. So, for instance, is the first principle that we're trying to create a common maintenance engineer occupation, or is and then from there, the principle would then be recognize a series of core occupations that go across it. So actually, so when the question is then asked again by somebody like